Hi, my wonderful people. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for always being there for me. Today, I'm making shawarma in Nigeria style. So our protein will be chicken, and you can see all the vegetable I'm using. The onions now here, over here, I'm just giving it a short blanching it short. Reason for doing this is just to reduce the crunchiness of the vegetables. I don't want to hear, Mommy, the cabbage is too strong. So it's either I do it this way or I massage it with my hands until the vegetable gets more and release some water. But I prefer to do this just very short. And I know I might lose some nutrients, but I'm not losing all. Blanching is also a good preparation method, cooking preparation method. Yeah, you can see that. So after doing that, I will set them aside, set my vegetable aside to drain well and start making my sauce for the filling. You can see I'm using yogurt. That is a natural yogurt, unsweetened yogurt. So, but some you can also use just mayonnaise and ketchup. But I want to use yogurt. I think this is the healthy version for me. And you can see I'm just using just 1 tablespoon of ketchup. I added a little sugar though, so that it will be a little sweet because I did not add much ketchup. Yeah, all the ingredients used are listed on the screen. So this is it now. Getting ready to. This is my wrap, and here is my wok. I'm about to, or what I'm doing here now is preparing the protein because I also used hot dog, and this is the chicken. After toasting the hot dog, I will also I toast also the chicken breast. You can see I've already seasoned the chicken with just garlic, salt and black pepper, and this is it. So as the chicken is, I added little onions here to it. So as the chicken is in the frying pan and the fire is doing its work, the cooker is doing its work, I'll go back to my wrapper, which is the chicken, the potera wrap. So this is my vegetable, and I added it back to the bowl. I did not use all because I thought that it was much. So adding the quantity I wanted, I added my carrots, added my lettuce. This lettuce I added was optional, but because I have this lettuce in the fridge and I did not want it to go bad, that is why I added it. But normally I don't add lettuce, but it's still okay. We don't encourage this. I need to exhaust the vegetable. And so I added my sauce, my cream, which I made myself, and this is the wrap. So I'm using the smaller wraps. There are bigger ones, and some people they would like to divide it into two or make a pocket in the middle so that it will be bolder. But usually I like it that way. But normally I usually buy the big one. But today, when I went to the mall, I mistakenly took the smaller one. It's still the same thing. So this is the mixture. I've already added my chicken and the cream. I mixed everything together, getting that. You can see it's not too watery. Everything is perfect, and this is the wrap. Getting ready to start my work. I will add in the hot dog first and my salad mixture, my filling, the shawarma mixture, the shawarma filling. I'll add it, the quantity I want, so that I can be able to wrap this very well. But you can see the challenge I'm facing here in wrapping it because I'm using the smaller wrap and also adding a lot of filling. That at the end I achieved what I wanted. I'm happy. You can see me. Just keep watching and watch how I wrap it. You can always do this at home. You must not go to shops to buy it. You can always do it at home. It is very easy, and this homemade tastes great. Is always the best. It tastes great. You can see that I've already finished wrapping this one. Yeah, and my frying pan is still on the fire. So the reason for this is just to will I call it, pasteurize or sterilize, yeah, and also to seal the wraps, yeah, by heating it short, short heating of, or short, what will I call it? By heating it this way in the frying pan, it will seal the wrap and also make the shawarma to be a little warm. Yeah, you can see that. I continued this process until all the 6 wraps was exhausted. Yeah, please, if you're new to my channel, do well to like, subscribe, and all, so that you'll be notified once I post a new video. Thank you for always watching. And to my return viewers, thank you for always watching. To my subscribers, I appreciate all of you. Without you, I can't be here. Thank you for the support. Thank you for all that you have been doing for me. I will not take it for granted. I appreciate. You can see the shawarma, well sealed and perfect. Well sealed and perfect. This is the last batch, the last 3, and it is finally, they are finally ready. They are finally ready. Wow. And you can see, as you can see here, I'm about to open it so that you see the feeling. Oh, we are waiting. We are waiting. Wow. You can see that. You can see that. My children eat it and we love it.
Love it. We love it.
And we love it.
it.
Just see how perfect it is. So yummy. I just wish you were by my side to test this. Thank you for watching. Bye.